In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can lock your Facebook profile so that not anyone or everyone can see your own profile. I'm going to show it to you in computer and in mobile as well, so you can do any of these methods. And without further ado, let's jump straight into it, and here we go. Alright, so here we go. How are we going to do this? So first of all, of course, log into your Facebook account. Go to top right, click on your profile. It's actually very easy. Alright. Scroll down, you can see these three dots here. Click on the three dots and you can see here lock profile. So I'm going to show you how you can lock it. Just click lock. So you can see lock, only friends can see your photos and post. So this is very good. Now lock your profile and the profile is locked. It is that easy in computer. Let me show you to you how to unlock your profile now. To unlock is also very simple. Go to your profile, just click on the top right, click on your name, okay, and then click on the three dots, unlock profile. It is that simple as that. So you can just view as you can see how it looks like when the profile is locked. But I just want to unlock it. So just click unlock your profile. And done. And that's how easily you can unlock your profile in your computer. So I'm going to show it to you in mobile now. So let's go. Alright, let's jump into the mobile and see how you can lock and unlock your Facebook profile. It could be Android or Apple. Now this is Android phone. I believe it is the same setting for Apple as well. So go to your mobile app, click on the top right. You can see your picture there. Click on your picture and then you click on the three dots. Then you click lock profile. So you can see all this information, read more about it. Lock your profile. Okay, and you see it's locked. To unlock, it is the same thing as what you do in the computer. Just click on the three dot again, same thing. To unlock, click on unlock profile, click on this icon, unlock, and click on it. Unlock your profile. Alright, and the profile is unlocked. You need to refresh. There, it's back to normal. Alright, hope you like what I share. If you find this useful, do subscribe, and I see you next time. Goodbye.